Hi, I'm Afsana from Endo by Design. I'm so excited to bring you our February workshops. If you need to book any social media workshops with us, you can go onto socialmediaworkshops.co.za and you can book your ticket directly on the website. We have loaded up until June all our workshops, and I'm going to go through now the February workshops. If you go onto the website socialmediaworkshops.co.za and go under webinar talks and workshops, you'll come to this screen. These are our upcoming workshops. I'm going to go through the February workshops with you now. The ultimate guide to setting up your online shop is on the 3rd of Feb. This is a very interesting talk to get you to start thinking about what you need to do to put your shop together. This is particularly useful for beginner online shop owners, or if you're thinking about putting an online shop together. Our next webinar is how to hire a social media manager for your business. I know that social media management for yourself can become quite a daunting task, and if you need some assistance on who to hire, who's the right person, on the 10th of Feb we can help you with that webinar. On the 11th of Feb, we have one of my favorite workshops, the Facebook Ads Trends for 2021. So there's so much happening in the world of Facebook and advertising, and this workshop gives you practical tips on how to create the perfect ad so it's seen to your perfect audience. I highly suggest signing up to this one on the 11th of Feb. The next one we have up is the 17th of Feb, how to manage your social media crisis. Crisis management is essential in businesses, and in this webinar we'll go through scenario plans, but also what to do when a crisis hits. So whether it's a pandemic or something in your business that you can't control, what social media crisis plan can you put into place? The next one on the 24th of February is the ultimate guide to selling online courses. So if you're a trainer, a coach, or consultant who has an online course or thinking of putting together one, you're welcome to attend this free workshop on the 24th of Feb. Tickets are limited, so please do RSVP as soon as possible. The next workshop we have is on the 25th of Feb, how to create eye-catching social media posts. We understand that content ideas can run dry and you can hit creative blocks when it comes to creating content for your business. We created this dedicated workshop with free access to our social media experiment toolkit to help you create amazing eye-catching social media posts. That's all for February, so I'll do this video again next month to show you what's happening in next month. You're welcome to go to socialmediaworkshops.co.za to book.